Good morning and welcome to my channel. I thought what I would do is take you guys on a little tour of the outside of the garden and what it's going to be. We're going to put together the raised beds this weekend, so I thought why not show you guys what's going on, and then that way you can see it from the ground up. You can see us when we start doing stuff to all the progress. So it's kind of nice outside. It's a bit sunny but a little bit cool. Yesterday was really warm, but hopefully we're getting into spring. So this is the garden here, and we ordered and we're going to put together this weekend 8 raised beds, 8x4 raised beds. So they're going to go 4 up and 2 over, and that garden bed is going to go. I'm excited to get it going, and so is Terry to put it together. We have a little bit more cleanup. Terry did a good cleanup on the yard a couple weeks ago, and then we had an ice storm, so we have another cleanup that we have to do with some trees that have fallen over there. And then here's the front yard. So here I'm going to put some of those limelight, are they limelight hydrangeas, here, there, and over there in the front here. And I just have some roses as well. I have to take down my Christmas decorations still. Yep, just haven't taken that down to compost. And then we have some roses here, and my daffodils are coming up. I'm going to have to cut those back. My daffodils are coming up. The previous owner had these beautiful daffodils all right here, and they're coming up. And I think what I'm going to have to do is plant more in them so that they fill out more. I tried to clean this up last year, but just clean it up a little bit more this year. We will eventually be putting a new deck on, but that's just not something we're doing this year. So right here in this area is where we're going to put the other raised bed. This is where I had the raspberries and the blueberries and the Saskatoon berries, and I'm going to get them out of the ground and put them in a raised bed to see if I can get them to grow better. They're just not performing, so maybe if I can adjust the soil, amend the soil, that'll help them kind of get a bit better and actually produce fruit. And we have one cherry tree right here, which I'm going to get it a companion this year. And then I let my ranunculuses come out so that they can have some sun and enjoy this weather. And there's Mr. Axe right there. Thank you all for watching my first video, and I can't wait to get this garden season started. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.